Hello, traders. This is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 5th on a Tuesday, and let's take a look at the market. We are seeing a little bit of a pullback here in the SPY, trying to break below that 10-period moving average. Let's see if we can hold it today. We've been very, very stubborn lately. If it does break and close below it, there's a chance we may retrace some more and maybe down, to this 20-period moving average. But let's take a look at some setups because I am seeing some nice setups out there. First on the list is MTG. I'm liking this one. Now, it has had like 3 days in a row. It may want to pause and rest a little bit, but if it does get above that 18 level, real good chance it's going to, take out these highs over here. So MTG is definitely on the list. RBLX, I mentioned this yesterday, I believe, but had a nice day yesterday. What I like about this is earnings back over here. If it does take out that earnings high, could be a nice setup for a extended swing trade there. Hood, I haven't mentioned Hood in a long time. It is definitely one of those ARC plays. ARC has been doing well, and what I like about it, if it breaks above that 200-day moving average, you also have a pivot line right here. So 10 is kind of the level you'd really like to see it get above in that Hood. One more on the list, Meta, okay, aka Facebook. I was watching it yesterday, almost picked up some on the 50. I decided to be patient on this one, but you did bounce off this 50, looking for a bar reversal, taking out yesterday's high in that Meta. There's obviously some more on my list here. If you have trade ideas, you have access to those. We have a channel where you can follow these in a channel. But that's it for today. Keep it tight. We're still overextended. Could have a pullback. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.